Hey sis, hi, how are you? Today, I'm gonna show you how to shave your legs the perfect way and get rid of the strawberry skin. So, it's not my first time, but I already did it, but I want to teach you how to do it properly because not many of my sisters are doing the accurate way. So, as an elder sister, I want to help you out in that. Sorry guys, I'm not that technical in like editing or having like the perfect video kind of thing, so I just want to give like as much help, and I want to teach you as much as I can. So that's why this video is very raw and it's really like the way I do. So I think without further delay, let's go. And one more thing, men or boys, my bros, can also do that because sometimes the athletes, or if you are like in a sport, that kind of sport that you want to get rid of your leg hair, you can do that. It's just a little bit harder, the legs, the hair on the men legs, but it will work wonders. Like if you follow this, what I do, it's really simple and can get you the result you want. So without further delay, let's go and do it. Okay sis, so I'm using this blade because as you can see, this blade got two razors in it. I'm not using the men's one, so if my bros are doing that, so you can use your normal blade that you do for your shaving. And for my sis, I think for girls this one is better because you can see they got two blades. It not got one, so it got more like it give you a more neat look, so this one would be better. And then we will be using one of my hack, and that is to first wet your leg and put a scrub on it. So I'll just show you how to do that. Okay, as you can see, my leg got a little bit like this bumps on them, and the blackheads and the pores are like this because I already shaved, but they still, after like, it's like problem with me 2 hours after that I feel like I haven't done it, but it's not like that. I think everyone feels the same. So it got something like that, as you can see. Maybe I can focus more better. Yeah, I think you can see now. So we have to scrub it first, so I should wet my leg and scrub it. Okay, you can see I'm just putting sea salt because I believe that sea salt is like really good for your skin and helps you clean it. So just scrub it with the sea salt. So if you have hair on this part also and you haven't done it, it's your first time, this will definitely help you too because it will clean up all the oil and dirt from it. So just scrub on this part. Okay, once we are done, as you can see, our leg like looks really neat and clean with all the dirt and oil. So now I am, can you see that? Yeah, that's better. So now I'm going to put the conditioner and not the shaving cream, because I don't think so shaving cream would be better for you. For my like bros, bro, you can do that simply by putting the shaving cream, but for my sis, I think you should continue with the conditioner because that will help you. And if you don't have that shaving cream, it's better to put the conditioner. So I'm just gonna put it on my leg. Okay, I have this here. This is the lathering thing, and I'm just gonna put it on my leg here. As you can see, it's so creamy. See the texture? Can you see that? Yeah, just scrub, not scrub, just slide it across your leg. Okay, once it's done, now we are prepared and ready for our razor. So let's do that. Okay, always make sure that you have 3 directions to work on, and this is like really nice because you won't get the hair after 2 hours then. So this is my hack that I really focus on. So what we're gonna do is, the first thing, you have to take this and you have to slide it up. Make sure that don't slide it very forcefully. You just have to slide it like that. The other thing I want you to do is slide on your, like this side, okay, and the other way we were gonna do is slide on this way, like you can see, like this, and the other way we're gonna slide is through this thing, through this direction. So this will make sure that all of the hair on all the directions would be like gone. And it's so silky now. Right now you can see the difference. This looks really perfect now. So I'm gonna tell you again, just do it one direction this side, then go up. Just make sure that don't forcefully do that, just go with the flow, and then this side, and then the opposite side. You can see the blade now, it's really dirty now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna wash my leg. Okay, in order to clean your razor, please don't put a finger on this like this to clean it. It's a really bad thing and give you a cut on your finger. So I use a cotton bud like this kind of, and then you can put alcohol or even like any tea tree oil or any antiseptic thing to just clean it and rub it with the blade. Like, I cannot show you because I'm holding my camera like this kind of, just clean it and rub it like this. So yeah, so it will be done. You just have to put, like you can see the dirt inside, so it will get really clean. You just have to clean it with the cotton swab and don't do it with your fingers. Okay, I already done my leg, I washed it, and as you can see it's very smooth right now and very soft. Wow, I love this. So this was it. So after that I am going to put a moisturizer on it because it's very important. Okay sis, so that was it about shaving your legs, and if you want to ask me anything about it, please do, because I know some people have like problems with that and they can't do it, but I told you the 4 ways to do, and that's really nice because you won't get the hair up to 2 hours and it will stay for longer, and your health will be like your legs will be really smooth. So just do that and use conditioner. Also, if you want me to make more videos on this so that I can answer your questions on it, please do let me know in the comment, and also do let me know what other problems you're facing regarding shaving your legs. Also, I want to teach you about the waxing, and if you want that also using the hard wax, do let me know because I really prefer waxing your legs yourself. Okay guys, so that was all sis. So I see you in my next video. Don't forget to share so that I can connect to more sisters like you and I can be their elder sister, because my main focus for this channel is to help you all as much as I can as a sister I want to connect with all those sisters who doesn't have any sister like that, or who doesn't have like in their family who supports them, or you know what I mean, right? So I'm not good in making videos, so it's like really bit awkward, but I just want to serve as much as possible. So please do let me know if this tutorial was helpful or not, or anything you want to know. I'll be happy to help you all.